Step 4. Make a video recording in which your face is visible. In this part you should make plans for your next vacation using going to and or will. The video should not last more than 1 minute and 30 seconds. My plans for my next trip. Very soon I am going on a trip to the beautiful Colombian Amazon. I am going for work reasons, but obviously I will be escaping to now this beautiful place. Being there, I will investigate what there is to know. In addition to that, I will stay in hotel on a tree 12 meters height. I will know the largest river on the planet. I will know its people and culture. In addition to all these plans, the city of Leticia is bordering Brazil and Peru, and you can go to the Brazilian side and shop. I am very excited about this trip.